Unlock a Canvas course. Canvas courses are converted to read-only mode after the term ends or the course end date passes. It is now possible for instructors to unlock courses to allow course members to interact with the course again. For example, add, edit content, or send messages. To unlock a course, navigate to the global menu bar in red on the far left side of the screen. Select Courses, then select All Courses. Scroll down to Past Enrollments and select the desired course. Next, on the left-hand side of the page, click on Settings from the left-hand course navigation. Next, on the right side of the page, click Unlock Course at the top. The following message will display to let you know that by default, the course will be unlocked for 7 days. You can adjust the course participation end date or manually lock the course again once the course is unlocked. Click Submit. After the page refreshes, verify that the course is unlocked by confirming that the lock course link is present under course status and the course has a future participation end date. Scroll down to view that participation end date. Once a course is unlocked, the course may reappear on Student Canvas dashboards. Students will then be able to interact with the course, for example, post discussions, submit assignments, until the course is locked again. By default, unlocking a course automatically activates the course for 7 days. However, you can set a shorter or longer duration for the course to be active depending on your needs. So to modify the course end date, navigate back to Settings if your page had refreshed. Ensure that Course Details is elected from the tab options on the top of the screen, and then here lies the participation start and end date. Using the calendar picker, choose the desired end date. Feel free to also adjust the time. Do not forget to scroll down and click Update Course Details. Now, if you no longer want the course to be active, you may lock the course at any time. There is no limit to how many times you can lock or unlock a course. So again, if your page has refreshed, you would navigate to Settings, the Course Details tab at the top of the page, and on the far right side of the screen, click Lock Course. Once the page refreshes, verify that the course has been locked by confirming 2 things. First, the Unlock Course icon is now present and the lock is locked. And then scroll down and check that the participation end date will display with the current date and time. If clicking Unlock Course, Submit, or Lock Course does not properly work, clear your browser's cache or try a different browser. You can clear the cache for 2 recommended browsers, Chrome or Firefox. If you have any questions, please submit a ticket to canvashelp@stanford.edu. Have a great day.